3509 Saunders Bridge has just what you are looking for in a right-sized lifestyle. Relax on the front porch to watch the sunset over the pond in the settlement at Powhatan Creek. The traditionally styled foyer is flanked by the dining room and office. The open, flowing formal dining room is perfect for larger parties. With so many windows, light sparkles throughout the house. Glass-paned pocket doors offer privacy for a formal living room or main floor office. This room is spacious enough for multiple workspaces, space to relax, or perhaps a personal library. The heart of the home is the open-concept family room and kitchen. Gather around the center island. The home chef will appreciate the well-appointed kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a gas cooktop. This kitchen offers abundant storage and workspace. Sit in the breakfast nook or relax in the family room. Cozy up to the fireplace or step out to the back screened porch. The screened porch will be your favorite spot for morning coffee. The first floor primary suite makes one-level living easy. Natural light fills the spacious ensuite, offering a walk-in shower, garden tub and dual sink vanity. Guests will appreciate 2 spacious bedrooms and a full bath on the second floor. The bonus room on the second floor offers the opportunity for a media room or gaming space. Perhaps your lifestyle needs a home gym and craft space. The options are endless. Right-sized living also includes a spacious 2-car garage for storage, workspace, and more. The settlement at Powhatan Creek offers multiple pools and a welcoming clubhouse. Maintain your active lifestyle with access to the well-equipped fitness center. The community boasts gorgeous neighborhood landscaping and a serene environment. If you are ready to right-size your living, visit 3509 Saunders Bridge in the settlement at Powhatan Creek today.